Uttarakhand becomes first state to implement NEP at pre-primary level. Uttarakhand on the 12th of July 2022 became the first state in the country to initiate the process of implementing the centre's new education policy NEP. Uttarakhand CM Pushkar Singh Dhami initiated this process by inaugurating Bal Vatikas at Anganwadi Kendras across the state to strengthen the pre-primary education system. These Bal Vatikas will function at 4,457 Anganwadi Kendras in the state. DCGI approves India's first indigenously developed HPV vaccine. Drugs Controller General of India (DCGI) on the 12th of July 2022 approved the country's first indigenously developed human papillomavirus vaccine (HPV) against cervical cancer. This vaccine has been developed by the Serum Institute of India. Cervical cancer is the second most frequent cancer among women between 15 and 44 years of age with a high death ratio in India. Current DCGI Dr. V. G. Somani. Jharkhand secures first rank in Delta ranking for RURBN mission. Jharkhand has topped in the Delta ranking of Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Rurban mission with a composite score of 76.19 in the month of June 2022. With this, the state has improved its position to 8th place in the overall ranking of the mission. The center had launched this mission in 2016 with the objective of stimulating local economic development and creating well-planned urban clusters. Mohammad Shami becomes fastest Indian to take 150 OD wickets. India pacer Mohammad Shami has become the fastest Indian to take 150 wickets in one-day internationals ODIs. Shami achieved the feat during the series opener against England on the 12th of July 2022 where he took 3 wickets for just 31 runs. Shami took a total of 80 matches to reach his 150 wickets and surpassed the record of former Indian pacer Ajit Agarkar, who took 97 matches. Andhra Pradesh government decides to rejoin Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Andhra Pradesh government has decided to rejoin the ambitious Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana PMFBY. Andhra Pradesh has decided to implement the PMFBY from the Kharif 2022 season. With this decision, crops of more than 40 lakh farmers of the state will get insurance cover in case of natural calamity. Andhra Pradesh had opted out from PMFBY in 2020 citing higher premium prices. Order of the Rising Sun Award conferred on Narayanan Kumar. Vice Chairman of the Chennai-based Sanma Group Narayanan Kumar has been conferred with the Order of the Rising Sun, Gold and Silver Star by the Government of Japan. He has been awarded for his contribution to strengthening economic relations between Japan and India. Mr. Kumar is also the chairman of the Indo-Japan Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Maha Metro or NHAI honored for Asia's longest multi-layer viaduct. Maharashtra or S Maha Metro and the National Highway Authority of India, NHAI, on the 10th of July 2022 received the Asia Book of Records and India Book of Records certifications. They received the certifications for constructing the longest multi-layer viaduct in Asia. This multi-layer viaduct has been constructed on 3 metro stations under the Nagpur Metro Rail project. Avdhash Kaushal, noted social worker or Padma Shri awardee, passes away. Noted social worker and Padma Shri awardee Avdhash Kaushal passed away on the 12th of July 2022 at the age of 87. Kaushal founded an NGO named or Rural Litigation and Entitlement Kendra or which fought for human rights and the conservation of the environment. He is credited with bringing mining activities to an end in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand in the 1980. He was awarded a Padma Shri in 1986. Ola Electric unveils indigenously iron cell. Bengaluru-based electric two-wheeler maker Ola Electric on the 12th of July 2022 unveiled India's first indigenously developed lithium-ion cell NMC 2170. Ola will begin the mass production of this cell from its Chennai-based Gigafactory by 2023. The company was recently allocated 20 gigawatt-hours capacity under the ACCPLI scheme by the Government of India for developing advanced cells in the country. India's GMD. Gukesh wins Gijon Chess Masters. India's Grandmaster GMD. Gukesh won the Gijon Chess Masters held in Spain on the 8th of July 2022. Gukesh won with 8 points out of 9 rounds. In the ninth and last round, Gukesh drew with Cuba's Jaime Martinez Dueñas. Alexander Fier of Brazil finished second with 6.5 points while Pedro Antonio Gines of Spain came third scoring 6 points.